Introducing the pinnacle of water conditioning technology from Potaqua Solutions, proudly presenting AquaShield, powered by cutting-edge electrolysis and REDOX technology, made in India and made for the world. Every home deserves soft and salt-free water with zero maintenance. Get your AquaShield home today. It's the ultimate water anti-scaler and hardness breaker. It works on borewell water, supply board, and tank water by effectively disintegrating the ions of calcium carbonate, magnesium sulfate, and colloidal silica dissolved in your water, transforming them from divalent to monovalent ions permanently. The device collects all the harmful bacterial contamination that exists in hard water like lead, pesticides, and other disease-causing virus poisoning us every day. Hard water undergoes a remarkable transformation, acquiring the characteristics of soft water while dissolving existing scale. As water flows through AquaShield, its viscosity decreases, reducing scale formation properties. Periodically, lime scale is effortlessly removed, providing an unparalleled experience to our customers. Featuring a platinum-coated electrode for unparalleled durability, AquaShield offers unlimited water treatment with live results viewable anytime. Say goodbye to magnets and maintenance headaches, all at an affordable price. Plus, enjoy prompt service from our dedicated team, ensuring hassle-free installation. It is effective on all types of plastic pipes, PVC, galvanized and stainless steel pipes. But what does this mean for you? You will never have to clean the bottom of the tank for lime deposits. Your water pipes will be free from blockages caused due to hard water, which in turn ensures smooth flow of water to your faucets and showers, eliminates yellow stains from forming in wash basins, commodes, and bathroom tiles. Installing AquaShield gives you a stain-free taps and shower heads, allowing you to reduce expensive toilet cleaning acids and bleaching chemicals. Due to reduction in surface tension of the water, it is easily absorbed into the drain, making the bathroom tiles never slippery again. All your geysers and heating elements will be free from thick scale deposits due to hard water, reducing your electricity bills by at least 20%. Your washing machines will no longer break down to frequent repairs of the drums or filters because of the lime scale build. Enjoy soft and bright white clothes from the laundry. Experience softer skin and hair, preventing hair loss and itchy skin issues from bathing, increasing immunity and oxygenating blood, saving you exorbitant medical bills. Prolong the life of your appliances and bid farewell to scale, rust, and corrosion. Enjoy spotless floors, utensils, and clothes, while ensuring crystal clear swimming pools and promoting healthy plant growth and beautiful garden. AquaShield enhances the membrane life of RO purifiers, water treatment plants, which saves you a lot of money. Unlike traditional water softeners, there is no need of regeneration of salts and resin, which needs technical expertise and costs you maintenance charges. There is zero wastage of water, ensuring sustainability of the planet. It is proven that construction with scale-free water produced by AquaShield has multiplied concrete strength. Installing AquaShield today will give you an amazing experience of enjoying salt-free water with no chemicals, salts, or resin, ensuring safety of the environment and protection of your household in all its glory. Whether it's your home, apartment, or villa, water treatment plants, factories, or construction sites, AquaShield delivers unmatched water quality. From hotels and hospitals to organic farms and nurseries to precast and food processing units, AquaShield ensures pristine water everywhere. So, have you tried transforming hard water into soft yet? Forget the rest and bring AquaShield home today. Elevate your water quality and transform your life with Potaqqua's revolutionary solution.